Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can switch between players when you are watching a replay on the new Valorant replays feature. So you can either press on the screen multiple times like this to switch players, or you can do it by pressing on the numbers on your keyboard. So player 1 would be the enemy team's race. For me, it's obviously going to be different. You can also, I think, see the player numbers here. So 1, 2, 3 until 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So what am I? Player 8. And yeah, that is how you can switch between players on the Valorant replay system. It's actually pretty cool. So you can actually see the point of view of the enemy's team. Let me see what I look like. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm dead already. Okay, what about here? Oh, anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.